Good afternoon, this is Advanced In-Car Technologies. Today we've been working on a Chrysler Grand Voyager. Now this is a 2005 vehicle, and the 2005 radio is a bit of a pickle, not only to fit hands-free kits to, there's the dashboard there, but even with the amplified system. This is the standard radio that you get in these vehicles. They are all similar sort of shapes. Some of them have nav, some of them don't. Now, up to a certain year, you'll either have the Boston sound system or the Infinity sound system. This particular vehicle, 2005, all run by the big amplifier. Now, the amplifier is located in the rear quarter. That's the offside, driver's side, and here's the amplifier here. Now, the customer has come to us saying that he doesn't want to have the sound system factory fitted anymore. He wants to be able to fit an aftermarket radio with Bluetooth, digital radio, music streaming. And as some of you may already know, that actually switching on the amplifier is done by a data signal, and that data signal is difficult to replicate without this being installed. Anyway, so here's the amplifier here, and these are the connections, and shortly what we're going to do is show you this little connection here. This is our magical little device that's been made up. These will plug directly into the amplifier power and the speakers, thus removing the whole of the amplifier and the radio and bypassing the sound system, so that you've got the standard 6x9 speakers which are fitted in the rear quarters, the front doors, and also on the top of the dashboard, meaning that you can bring your car or vehicle into the 21st century. So this is for the Grand Voyager 2005 to 2007, and there may be different variants of manufacturing year and also radio. So now we've just finished putting the rest of the rear trim in where the amplifier is located on this 2005 Chrysler Grand Voyager. We're left with two components: the factory amplifier, which is no longer now required because it was only in operation with the standard Chrysler radio. So as most of you will know, this particular Chrysler radio will not power up or will not be able to be used without the factory amplifier. So behind our enclosure here, we have bypassed the amplifier and then run a 5-meter extension down the front of the car to create the audio for our aftermarket radio. Now if you jump in the car,
to do the song with Rod Stewart, he's really opened the floodgates, hasn't he? You could probably get a song with A$AP Rocky now. Hey. But it's a good song, we're going to play that.
So we fitted a single DIN fascia panel. Single DIN fascia panel with an aerial adapter, a harness adapter. There's no steering wheel controls on this Chrysler, only for the cruise. And we've now fitted the Alpine CDE-136BT. So we've got a Bluetooth microphone. We've got the digital antenna over in the top left-hand corner there, and you've also got the iPod control in the glove box with aux. So now this car has been brought into the 21st century with CD player, A2DP, aux, Bluetooth, and of course with absolutely amazing sound. I'm just going to turn up the volume.
The loudest snore I've ever.
So let's just turn it up. This is just going through some of the DAF stations.
For Louis about...
Right. Anyone's actually playing any music? So this is a Magic Easy Listening Station. I've got to admit, I'm really impressed with the sound response in this car once the amplifier has been removed. It's 3 times better than the majority of cars, unless you've got a nice car out there with a factory amplified system. Anyway, you've been watching Advanced In-Car Technologies do a conversion from factory amplifier to an aftermarket system. This customer loves his car, but said the sound system was the problem because he couldn't do anything, even have a proper hands-free kit fitted with Bluetooth streaming, due to the fact that the amplifier was an American thing and wouldn't work unless it was physically on. And the data behind that was a pain. You can get all the bits and pieces from our website for this conversion. Website is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and subscribe here. Thanks for watching.